So, Perrodin, the project specialist here. Today I'm at my mom and dad's, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a different shower head in with a cord that comes down and then a handheld shower head so that it's lower and easier for them to reach. And this is the Moen Magnetics that we're putting in, and so we're going to replace the one that's up here. And basically, it's important that when you do this, the pipe that comes out of the wall, you hold that steady. Don't put too much pressure on it. Hold it to take the pressure off, because those things can kind of break in the wall. I'll do a longer video of this and attach it. But then we've got this is a suction cup I got off of Amazon type deal, and we'll adjust that and put the shower head or that handheld shower sprayer at a height that's good for mom. Check out the other video and hit that like and subscribe button. Perrodin, the project specialist. Okay, so what you do on this, I gotta get up, I feel like I'm on a high chair here. Hold this pipe, because you don't want it to move much when you turn this shower head off of the pipe, because these can rust in the wall over time and they can break easily. Okay, so you don't want to put too much torque on that. And sometimes I'll even wrap a washcloth around this and grab it with a pipe wrench. Actually, I have the pipe wrench on the floor and ready to go if I needed it. You could use, if you're going to reuse this shower head, I would kind of have a washcloth on it. It prevents any teeth marks from the wrench here. Always wrap either use a kind of a pipe dope or the tape. Okay, the white stuff is what you use on the water stuff here. And I'm going to wrap this, and I'm going to wrap it because when I put the new one on here, the new shower head, the pipe is threaded clockwise. You're going to turn that clockwise. So you want the end of your tape going clockwise here, so you don't ball it. Otherwise, if you're going backwards, you'll kind of ball it up, and it'll try to unravel itself as you're putting it on, going backwards. So we're done with that. I got about 20 of these stupid things laying around somewhere or another. So next step is we're going to put that shower head on. So there's a washer in here already, and this has an adjustment on it, and an adjustment here for, I think this is the shower head. In the middle, I'm going to guess, is for both this and the handheld, and then this is for the handheld only, if you want to control it from there. I'm going to put it in the middle, thinking that it's both, because this one that I picked out, the neat thing about this Moen Magnetics, this one, is on the handheld part, it has an on-off switch too. So you can switch from the one to the other. All right? So let's get this up and on there and threaded on there. I was a little nervous whether I was going to be able to thread it or if the shower head was too big for it. Not the case. All right. And we're not turning, so I gotta take my pliers of mine again. I'm gonna go gently so I don't muck the teeth up on this or put teeth marks on this. Might be able to grab it too with a once again now. You don't want to over tighten this and torque that and break that pipe coming out of there. Okay? So right now I'm going to set it like that. And our next step here, I'm going to put a little tape on here. I don't think I really need it because they got the gaskets. They got nice rubber gaskets on these inside of the hose line here. I don't know how many of these I've done with owning apartments, and somehow they all tend to get broke or the tenants change them. And then when it comes time to re-rent them, you gotta redo them. And there again, like I said, buy a Delta. Buy, you know, Moan, buy a brand name. Don't buy something that's cheap. I'm a fan actually of pretty much of Delta. Delta makes good quality stuff. You get what you pay for. You pay a little more for it, without a doubt, but it's a good product. Now, came with the rubber washers. I'm going to put the rubber washer in there. Maybe. Come out already. Alright, so I'm going to screw that on up on top. I could screw the handheld on right now, but I actually think I'm going to wait. That way it's not flapping around. And since that's got that rubber gasket in there, I don't think I have to torque that crazily. Oh, that's going to work out really nice. The hose is long enough. Nice. I'll be able to sit on the chair. Pick up my washer that fell on the floor. Let's move this out of the way before I step on it. I end up having to sue my parents for workman compensation. That would not be good. And remember, hit that subscribe button. We want to get Dean his chicken sandwich. He's getting a little impatient on his chicken sandwich. Now, this thing, let's see if it all comes together. This, just magnetized, sticks right up there, pretty cool. And then you got the button here. It's better than having to reach all the way up on that pipe, if you can see it, to turn from one flow to the other. I'm gonna bring that down a little bit. There. That should be about right for Ma. And now, and guess what I'm gonna use? Since I got it loose, there we go. My Menards card. That was pretty inventive, actually. I was gonna go get a screwdriver. No need to. Just use that Menards card. Okay. So, we're gonna set this right now. Right there. Bring this over here. Put that in like that. Handy dandy, easy to grab. Let's see if we got water flow. Captain Perrodin, we had water coming in, and the big ship and crew was in peril. Later that night, when its lights went out of sight, came the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. All right, let's see what we got. So we got them both on. Now we got just that. We got that. I might leave it like that. We'll see what they want. Pretty cool. Not that long of an installation, right? 15, 20 minutes. All goes well. Okay. Otherwise, remember there's that lever back there. I can switch the top off. And then it would just be the bottom. We'll check that out. All right. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to go get my parents, show them the final product. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. All right, so final product. Here I just want to show you real quickly. I actually really like this. Okay, Moen did a nice job on this. Now I've got it set. I'm going to turn it on. So you've got your handheld and your top spring. I come over here, let's move this. But I come over here and there's a button that slides the head so you can get the different type of bottom sprays or handheld sprays. That just clicks, so you get your different settings. And on the handle itself, there's a button, so I can turn the water off on the bottom, then the water just comes out up on top. Okay? I shut this off. There's another little handle right here. It's got 3 settings on it. I'll show you the next one. I put it in the middle, turn our water back on. Top doesn't work. Little leakage out of here, but that's okay. And now, you just have the handheld. Top one is turned off. So, pretty cool. A lot of multi-functions with this. easy to put together. As you saw, it didn't take me long at all. We had this done in 15, 20 minutes. Hit that subscribe button. Nice little option for in your shower if you want to change things up a little bit. And I'm going to get a little wet. I'm going to click it back to both being on for Mom. And we'll turn it off. We're done. Thank you for watching. Check out the other videos at Perrodin the Project Specialist. And there's always some new tip for you for around the house or something that has to do with our life. Enjoy them. I try to keep them to about 4 or 5 minutes. This one's a little longer. I've got the shorter version that leads into this. You can watch the shorter version too if you want on this. But thank you.